Ready to conquer the AI frontier and leave your mark on the world? AI Techscape brings you an exclusive guide to mastering 9 groundbreaking AI skills that will set you apart from the rest. From unleashing your creativity using AI strategies like a pro, you'll become a force to be reckoned with. The future belongs to those who seize this AI revolution. Break free from the ordinary and soar towards greatness with AI Techscape, where innovation meets limitless possibilities of AI. Are you ready to reshape tomorrow? Let's dive in! Number 1. Curiosity and lifelong learning in AI. Curiosity and a never-ending quest for knowledge will be your greatest assets in the ever-changing world of AI. Why are these qualities so remarkable, and what can you do to keep them alive as you venture out in your career? Wholeheartedly embracing curiosity and continuous learning involves staying updated on the latest AI advancements, exploring new tools, and being receptive to feedback and adaptability. Having this state of mind equips you to deal with the ever-changing AI landscape and grab exciting opportunities as they arise. Consider a programmer who discovers an AI-driven framework that improves code optimization. The developer's natural eagerness leads them to explore the depths of the tool, trying out various settings and features to learn its full capabilities. The developer not only gains expertise through dedication to lifelong learning, but also gains access to previously unrealized opportunities for improving software development workflows. 2. Creative AI thinking. Creative AI thinking means thinking of new, innovative, and game-changing ways to use AI technology. This pushes the limits of what can be done with AI beyond its typical applications. This knowledge is crucial in the ongoing AI revolution dramatically changing our society. By encouraging creativity in AI, we may open up previously inaccessible avenues of curiosity, overcome previously insurmountable obstacles, and take our efforts to levels never before imagined. The magic happens when human ingenuity meets the power of AI to produce game-changing results. For instance, let's consider an architect who utilizes AI to design awe-inspiring and futuristic structures. By harnessing AI's ability to process vast amounts of data and optimize architectural blueprints, the architect can conceive structures that blend artistry with functionality in extraordinary ways. These AI-empowered designs may redefine urban landscapes and enrich the lives of inhabitants. Number 3. Intuitive grasp of AI limitations. Gaining an intuitive grasp of AI limitations is an empowering skill that propels you toward making informed choices, mitigating risks, and spearheading responsible AI practices. But what does it truly mean to possess this understanding, and why is it an essential compass in today's world? Picture this skill as a compass guiding you through the vast terrain of AI. It means discerning when AI can be a game changer and when other solutions might be more fitting. It also entails being mindful of ethical considerations and potential biases that AI systems could introduce. By cultivating this skill, you expertly navigate the fine line between harnessing AI's vast potential and steering clear of potential pitfalls. For instance, let's consider a transportation company that plans to implement AI-driven autonomous vehicles to optimize its fleet operations. Recognizing the limitations of AI in real-world driving scenarios, the company's engineers and decision-makers can take a cautious approach to ensure passenger safety and regulatory compliance. By developing an intuitive understanding of AI limitations, they can make informed choices about when and where to deploy autonomous vehicles and consider the need for human drivers to handle complex driving situations where AI may not be entirely reliable. This responsible approach allows the company to capitalize on AI's benefits while prioritizing safety and addressing potential challenges. 4. Prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the fascinating and strategic process of crafting powerful queries that spark AI language models like GPT-4 to deliver the perfect responses. Consider AI as an intriguing puzzle box filled with limitless possibilities. Similar to solving a puzzle, The key to unlocking its magic lies in formulating the right queries and precise instructions. Just like how puzzle pieces fit together to reveal a captivating image, refining your prompts allows AI to unravel insightful and meaningful responses. How can you recognize an exceptional prompt engineer? It's all about knowing the context, employing precise terms, and anticipating possible replies. This ability feeds on creativity, critical thinking, and a profound understanding of the nuances of human language. Let's look at an interesting scenario. You're a creative writer entrusted with writing an article about the advantages of virtual reality. You don't just settle for boring, generic prompt like, write an article about virtual reality, do you? Instead, you use a more specific prompt like, you are a tech-savvy futurist. Compose an article highlighting the top 5 ways virtual reality is revolutionizing the gaming industry. This allows the AI language model to generate content that is not only informative, but also interesting and engaging for the target audience. Number 5. Natural Language Processing. Natural Language Processing, or NLP, is a fascinating AI subfield that centers on comprehending and interpreting human language. Although it may seem technical at first glance, having a fundamental understanding of NLP is valuable for thriving in the AI revolution. By grasping its basics, you gain a competitive edge in working with AI systems that process text or speech, create user-friendly interfaces, and ensure AI-generated content maintains relevance and quality. Picture yourself as a customer support specialist in an e-commerce company, utilizing NLP-powered chatbots to handle customer inquiries. With a solid understanding of NLP, you would adeptly customize the chatbot's responses, interpret users' messages accurately, and devise efficient ways to address customer concerns. Your proficiency in NLP empowers you to provide prompt and personalized assistance, enhancing the overall customer experience and fostering customer satisfaction. Number 6. Data Storytelling and Visualization. In this thrilling AI era, the magic of transforming raw data into captivating narratives and visuals takes center stage. By mastering this art, you unlock the potential to make your discoveries more approachable, relatable, and persuasive. As AI systems advance in analyzing vast amounts of data, our ability to extract valuable insights becomes even more empowering. Through data storytelling, we transcend the realm of cold numbers and breathe life into the human experiences behind them. For instance, imagine a team of researchers studying climate change and its impact on a particular region. Data storytelling has the potential to simplify and contextualize intricate information such as temperature variations, greenhouse gas emissions, and ecological shifts in a way that motivates people to take action. 7. AI-driven personal branding. In the era of AI, personal branding embarks on an exhilarating journey similar to a symphony orchestra. Just as the symphony orchestra blends various instruments to create harmonious melodies, AI-driven personal branding combines diverse elements to craft a compelling and unique brand identity. Your personal brand becomes the conductor, guiding the orchestra toward a cohesive and memorable presentation of your identity, values, and contributions. For instance, AI-generated logos become the refined notes on the score sheet, symbolizing the brand's essence with elegance. AI-powered content generation tools provide the enchanting melodies of your narrative, captivating your audience with every word. Like the conductor directing the symphony, AI helps you maintain consistency and harmony across various platforms, orchestrating your online interactions with precision through virtual assistants. Consider the journey of a visionary artist conducting their personal brand symphony. Using AI-powered design tools, they compose vivid strokes of creativity into their portfolio, mesmerizing the audience with their ingenuity. The result is a masterpiece that reverberates in the minds of those who encounter it, leaving a lasting impression on the world. Number 8. AI Business Strategy and Implementation. In the ever-evolving AI landscape, crafting a business strategy and implementation plan is the key to staying ahead of the game. But what does this skill entail and why is it so crucial? Picture this. You're at the helm of a thriving business, and your AI-driven strategy is the rocket fuel propelling you towards success. This skill involves seizing opportunities to weave AI seamlessly into your organization, strategically assessing risks, and charting a definitive roadmap to meet your objectives. Imagine a financial institution aiming to streamline customer service with AI-powered chatbots. By leveraging AI, the institution can offer its clients faster and more personalized support, enhancing overall customer satisfaction. An effective AI implementation plan would consider factors like data accuracy, natural language processing capabilities, and continuous improvement through user feedback. And number 9, AI project management. As AI permeates various industries, skilled AI project managers are becoming increasingly sought after. To excel in this role, a unique blend of technical and non-technical skills is required. AI project management involves understanding the underlying technology, coordinating cross-functional teams, managing expectations, and monitoring budgets and timelines closely. It plays a crucial role in ensuring the success of AI projects in various industries. For instance, imagine an e-commerce company aiming to implement AI-driven product recommendations in its platform. As the AI project manager, you must understand AI limitations to ensure the recommendations are accurate and relevant to each customer. By being aware of the potential biases in the AI algorithms and data, you can take proactive steps to mitigate unintended consequences and provide a personalized shopping experience that enhances customer satisfaction. This includes closely monitoring the performance of the AI system, gathering user feedback, and making necessary adjustments to fine-tune the recommendations and avoid potential issues related to privacy or data security. There you have it, your ticket to AI greatness. Don't miss out on the latest AI Techscape updates. Hit that like and subscribe button now and ignite your AI journey like never before. Thank you for being part of our visionary AI community. Together, we'll conquer the future of technology.